Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 6125M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has just over 300 hours on it. It's absolutely like new. The tractor appears just like, basically like a brand new tractor. It's about as close to new as you're going to find. Paint's in absolutely excellent condition. It's got the front weights here with it, front weight carrier. Tires are good, Firestone Radial tires. 4 work lights in front of the cab, mirrors on the cab. It's got the corner post exhaust, 2 entry doors, and again Firestone Radial tires. It's got the cast center rear wheels with the rack and pinion axles, buttons on the fender for the PTO and 3-point. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer blocks, 540 and 1000 PTO, triple rear hydraulics, 2 rear work lights and a rear wiper. Very clean tractor inside and out. Inside of the cab just practically looks new as well. It's got the buddy seat here on the side, air ride seat there for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, left hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Down here on the floor you've got the individual brake pedals, foot throttle there to the right, differential lock here in the center, clutch pedal here to the left. You can see there's barely any paint off those pedals. This tractor does have the loader joystick. If you want to add a loader, it's easily done. Also have the shift controls on that joystick. Has the 24-speed power quad transmission. You've got 6 ranges and a 4-speed power shift within each range. Shift the power shift with the buttons here on the range lever, on the toggle down below, or the buttons here on the joystick lever. 4-wheel drive switch also within easy reach, hand throttle, got your PTO 3-point control, and hydraulics also right there within easy reach. Light switches, heat and air conditioning controls over there to the right. It's got the radio up top, rear view mirror and sun visor. Again, this is a one-owner tractor, 325 hours. Tractor is in absolutely excellent condition. We do take trades as well as offer trucking and financing on our equipment. If you have any questions, please contact us.